Hello, everyone, and welcome to Path to Power P2P. In this video, we will learn how to define isolatable section, specific block, including the potential leak scenarios we usually establish in consequence model. In any project, you will have a list like this, and in this list, based on the isolation philosophy and shutdown philosophy, you will come up with specific blocks, and each block you will identify the phase type, release type, and the mechanical dimension of that block and the phase volume. Imagine we will apply functional block number 9. It is for gas. This is the specific volume for that gas inventory in the first stage production separator. And these are the operating temperature and the pressure. So from fast consequence model, we will go to models, and from models, I will go to the fast consequence study, and under study, I will select pressure vessel, and I can give it a name of block 9, which is gas. Double click on that block. It will ask me to identify my component list, and the component list I defined from the previous step. It was gas, gas block 1, and it will be material to track. It is the same component. If you have a specific component to track from the toxic perspective, such as chlorine, CO2, H2S, you can track this material from here. Since our case does not include H2S, so the material list, it will be the same selection. I will choose to have the inventory, and from that spreadsheet, it is 55.3. I will define this value here. Operating temperature, 60, and 3.5 for the pressure. So my isolatable section, it is entirely completed. And now I can create a specific scenario going to the leak. And this will be, for an instance, typically, if it is a standalone risk assessment, we perform small, medium, and large leak and full rupture. So this is small leak, and as a representative leak size, I will choose 5 mm. And from this material, I will define 5 mm inside that leak scenario, and then okay. I can make a copy, no need to start from a scratch. Copy, I will go to block 9 gas, we'll do a paste, we'll do a rename to have a good track. Medium leak, and the representative size, it depends on the guideline you have in your company. I will choose 25 mm. And then I will provide here 25. Now the model is ready to run. From my study, I will go to home, and here I have run a button. This is the percentage of the run. We will now display each and every result from the consequence model per size. So for this 25 from home, I will go to graphs, and from graphs, I will choose one category, finish. So when it comes to the dispersion, this is how the dispersion look like, and these are the concentration of interest. If you have different concentration in terms of ppm, you will go to consequence, edit setting, and from concentration, you can choose to have specific things from here. So now I got my concentration of interest for 3 types of wind, considering my 25,000 ppm. So this is how you can see a dispersion. The model has concluded I have a jet fire, and these are the jet fire considering 4 kilowatt meter square. There is no more than 4 kilowatt meter square based on that leak size and the gas composition we have provided. And for the explosion, the pressures explosion, the model didn't find any over pressure consequence from that 25 millimeter leak. So this is in brief all about how to define isolatable section, how to define specific leak sizes, and how to display the consequence model, and how to read the consequence model from PHAST. Thank you for your listening, and see you in the next video.